Hello everyone, welcome back to the AAR Love. As you can see here, I just got a new GoPro Hero 9 and it's black color. I got here today from Best Buy. So this will be my new camera for filming video, posting on YouTube and sharing everyone. Also, I got a new tripod to go with GoPro. New tripod stand that look very cool. I also got a new memory card. This will store a lot of video to upload. And lastly, I got Explore accessory kit. Okay. Let me show you what inside the box of GoPro. Okay everyone, here inside the box of GoPro, I got a GoPro camera. So this is the camera that look very cool and handy. Okay, I will open the tape later. I got a USB thing here, and I believe this is a battery. Vàនេះគឺជាដុំភ្លើង camera GoPro ហើយនឹង USB សម្រាប់ charge. And this one is a hair shoes. I'm not sure what is it. It's a mounting or something. But and the part that go with the GoPro, I believe this. Not sure. Gotta look at the book here. We'll look at the instruction later, but just want to show you what's inside the box here. So here it is, and this is the tripod. And this is the tripod stand. So you can close like that and open. Or can be extended arm. And this accessory kit. It comes with the headband and và đâyសម្រាប់ដាក់លើថ្ងាស headband and the camera holding right here. And the same as this one, I believe is the look like a GoPro holder, so you can hold like this and then take a video and attach the GoPro up here. And got a bag and an instruction. Yeah, that's it. This gonna be our new toy for making video and sharing on YouTube. I hope you like and enjoy and continue to support our channel, the AAR Love. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on notification for our update video. I hope you like this video and continue to support our channel. Bye bye.